Okay, so let's continue to develop the concept of sign of the work done. On the left hand side, when the external agency lifted the object from ground to a height, the potential energy increased because the body moved from a place of lower potential to higher potential. So positive work was done, right? mg h2 minus h1 or minus gmm by r, both concepts can be used. Now look at electrostatic potential. The work done is plus 100 joules and it's a positive charge. It's not a negative charge. If it is a negative charge, then we will have to take a different approach. Just the reverse. Signs will get reversed. And the body has been moved from minus 10 to V volts, which means it has been moved from a lower to higher potential, just like what has been done in the case of gravity. In the case of gravity, it is very difficult to lift the work, the body upwards. Similarly, when you have a body at minus 10 volts, positive work has been done because it is very difficult for the external agency to move the body from minus 10 volts to a higher potential. In the case of ground also, you're moving to higher potential and the external agency work is positive. In the case of electrostatic field also, you're moving from lower to higher potential. Positive work is coming because it is difficult to move from lower to higher potential. Thank you very much.